Welcome to another episode of the Siam Center Law Group podcast, where we decode the intricacies of Thai law. Today, we're addressing a compelling question: in a conflict between testimony at the police station investigation and testimony in court, which would the judge believe more in Thailand? In civil cases, often, the outcome relies heavily on documents, particularly contracts that had been previously established. But when it comes to criminal cases, things aren't always so cut and dry. In the absence of scientific evidence or CCTV footage, the case often hinges on personal testimony. This becomes especially complicated and discrepancies arise between statements given during a police investigation and the testimony presented in court. Why might these inconsistencies occur? There are several possible reasons. Firstly, a victim or witness might have given false or inaccurate statements during the initial police investigation. This could occur because there are only two parties present during the investigation: the investigating officer and the witness or victim themselves. There aren't any opponents to cross-examine the witnesses, potentially allowing for discrepancies or inaccuracies. Secondly, procedural errors or mismanagement might result in inconsistencies. For instance, an investigating officer might use a previous witness's statement, modify the details, and present it as a new testimony to be signed by another witness. This could unintentionally distort the truth and lead to conflicts in testimonies. As a defendant's lawyer, the task then becomes one of identifying these discrepancies and presenting them to the court. However, it's not enough to just point out the inconsistencies. The lawyer needs to understand and explain why these discrepancies have occurred. Was there a misunderstanding? Was the witness influenced by the police during the investigation? Or was there an ulterior motive or possible collusion leading to changed testimonies in court? The court must navigate these murky waters and evaluate the testimonies carefully. Often, courts may give more weight to the police station testimony, seeing it as a statement given closer to the time of the incident. They may view it as a version of the events that were less likely to have been influenced or modified. However, the court also recognizes that the time between the incident and the court hearing provides an opportunity for tampering, for agreements to be made, and potentially for witnesses to be bribed into changing their testimonies. In conclusion, when testimonies conflict, it's a complex issue that needs to be navigated delicately. Understanding these intricacies can make a significant difference in the outcome of a case. Thank you for joining us today on the Siam Center Law Group podcast. If you ever find yourself navigating through such a situation and need expert legal guidance, don't hesitate to reach out to us at the Siam Center Law Group.